everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a Tuya smart device using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Before adding the device, connect your iPhone to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and turn Bluetooth on. Most Tuya device does not support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Now plug in or turn on the Tuya device. Now reset it. Hold the power button or reset button for 5 to 10 seconds or turn the device off and on. Wait until the light blinks. This means the device is ready to be added. Open the Tuya app and tap the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear from the menu. Tap on Add Device. Now choose Auto Scan or select the device type manually. When asked, select your Wi-Fi network, enter the Wi-Fi password and then tap Next. The app will now connect the device to Wi-Fi. Keep your phone close to the device during setup. When you see device added successful, then tap Done. And that's it. You have successfully added a Tuya smart device using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.